Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Math. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on SCF and LCM of numbers. So let's start. See, in the first problem, what is given? Four bells begin to toll together. That is, they are started ringing together, and the time interval after which each bell rings. First bell is ringing after 6 seconds. Okay, time interval for first bell is 6 seconds, second bell is 7 seconds, third bell is 8 seconds, and fourth bell is 9 seconds. So we have to find in 1.54 hours how many times do they toll together and in what interval. So when this type of problems we have to solve, what we have to see as when they will ring together. Okay, so that interval should be a multiple of 6 also, 7 also, 8 also, and 9 also. So it should be the multiple should be LCM of all these numbers. Okay, so interval should be equal to interval after which bells toll together. This will be LCM of 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is individual tolling, individual ringing time. Okay, individual interval. So this will be equal to, when you find the LCM, it will be equal to 504. So this much second. So after 504 second, all the bell will ring together. Okay. So we have to find in 1.54 hours how many times all the bell will ring together. Therefore, in 1.54 hours, they will toll together will be equal to 1.54 into, we have to convert this into seconds, so we will multiply 60 into 60 divided by the time interval. Okay, and we have to find the integral value of this. Okay, but see, when they started, at the starting all bells begin to toll together, so we have to add one for the starting also. Now it will be equal to 11 plus 1, that is 12. So total number of times they will toll together is 12 and interval is 504. So our answer will be C. We will discuss next problem. See, in the next problem, what is given? We have to find the greatest four-digit number which is exactly divisible by this. Okay. So we have to find the greatest number, not the least number. If it is least number, then it should be equal to LCM of all these numbers. Okay. But for greatest number, it should be a multiple of LCM. Okay. So we have to find the LCM of 12, 18, 21, and 28. So LCM of 12, 18, 21, and 28, it will be equal to how much? See, when you calculate, you will get 252. Okay. And we know greatest four-digit number is 9999. So when we divide 9999 by 252, we will get 30 or we can write 9999 is equal to 252. So 252 is our divisor, and quotient will be 39 plus remainder. Remainder will be 171. Okay. So required number will be 9999 minus 171. Therefore, required number will be equal to 9999 minus 171. So this number we will get, and that will be completely divisible by 252. Okay. So it is equal to 9828. So our answer will be option number C. Okay. We will discuss next problem. So in this problem, what is given? An electronic device beeps every 60 seconds and another device beeps every 62 seconds. So they beep together at 10 a.m. and at what time they will again beep together at the earliest. Okay, we have to find the earliest time. So first we have to find the LCM of, because that interval should be a multiple of this also and this also. Okay, 60 and 62. So interval should be LCM of 60 second and 62 second. And when you find LCM, you will get 1860 and this much second. If you convert this into minute, 1860 divided by 60 minute, you will get 31. Okay. So at the earliest, they will beep together at 10:31 a.m. So our answer will be B. Okay. Next problem, we have to find the greatest number which when subtracted from 5834 gives a number. Okay, and whatever is the resulting number, that is divisible by 20, 28, 32 and 35. So 5834, and we have to find the greatest number. Let the greatest number be x. Okay, so when we are subtracting the greatest number from 5834, the resulting number is suppose y, and y is exactly divisible by 20, 28, 32, 35. Now you see, we have to find the greatest value of x. Okay, so when x will be greatest, y will be least. Okay, when this is greatest, y will be least. So for least number, it should be exactly the LCM of 20, 28, 32 and 35. So least value of y equal to LCM of 20, 28, 32 and 35. Okay. So when you find LCM, so we will find in rough. Suppose 20, 28, 32 and 35. Okay. So we have to divide by 2, 10, 14, 16, 35. Again you have to divide by 2, then 5, 7, 8, 35. Now you can divide by 5, you will get 1, 7, 8, 7. Again you can divide by 7, so it will be 1, 8, 1. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 8. Okay, so you will get 1120. So 1120 is your y. Therefore, x will be equal to, maximum value of x will be equal to 5834 minus y, that is 5834 minus 1120, and this will be equal to 4714. So our answer will be B. Okay. Now we will discuss another problem. So in this problem, what is given? Four fractions are given, denoted by 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first is 17 by 18, second is 31 by 36, third is 43 by 45, and fourth is 59 by 60. And we have to compare all the fractions. In ascending order, we have to arrange. Okay. So if you see, you will notice that these are all unlike fractions. Okay. Unlike fractions are the ones whose denominators are not same. So what we have to do, first we will convert these into like fractions, then we can compare the numerators. Okay. So if denominator will be same, only by comparing the numerators we can arrange in ascending order. So for making the denominator same, we have to find LCM of all the denominators. So LCM of 18, 36, 45, 45 and 60. So when you find LCM, it will be 180. Okay. Now we have to make denominators of all the fractions as 180. For that we need to multiply numerator and denominator by a certain factor. So first fraction is 17 by 18. Okay. And we have to make denominator 180. So with what we can multiply with what factor? So you can notice it can be 10, but how we can find it? That is, this is the required denominator by the present denominator. So we will get 10. Okay. So 17 by 18 into 10. As we are multiplying the denominator by 10, so we don't want to change the fraction. So numerator also we have to multiply by 10. So it will be equal to 170 by 180. Okay. Second fraction will be 31 by 36, and to make denominator 180 we have to multiply by 5. So 31 into 5 divided by 36 into 5. Again this 5 from where we got? We have divided 180 by 36. Okay. So we got 5. And this is equal to 155 by 180. Third one is 43 by 45. Okay. So this we will multiply by 4 to make the denominator 180. So we will get 172 divided by 180. And next fraction fourth is 59 by 60. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So we will get 177 divided by 180. Okay. Now we can see denominators of all fractions are same. So by comparing only the numerators, we can arrange in ascending order. Now we can see as 155 is the least, next one is 170, next one is 172, next one is 177. That is, which fraction is containing 155? So this is 2. Okay. So 2. Then next one is 170. So 1. Next is 172. That is 3. And the greatest is 177 or 4. So this is our required order. So our answer will be 2, 1, 3, 4. So our answer is A. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on HCF and LCM of numbers. Okay. Thank you.